Do you need a secure authenticated serverless API in Azure? In this project, we build a serverless nodes API using an Azure Function app and Cosmos DB. The API is fully secure with an Entra ID tenant. Follow along, and in minutes you'll have a working authenticated API running in Azure. Let's walk through the architecture before we build. The user opens a static web app from a storage account and signs in with Entra ID. The Entra ID login returns a JWT, and that token is sent with every API request. The function app itself validates the bearer token before the request is allowed. The function app stores the nodes in the Cosmos DB table. The owner field is scoped to the authenticated user. Go to the GitHub link in the video description and clone the repository. Run the check env script to verify all prerequisites. This will fail as we need to manually set up the Entra ID tenant. Let's configure the Microsoft Entra ID tenant needed for web app authentication. Navigate to the Microsoft Entra ID blade in the Azure portal. Select Manage Tenants, then Create. Select External, then Next. Specify the organization name, initial domain name, subscription, and resource group. Record the initial domain name in the build environment variables. Select Review and Create. Then wait for the tenant deployment to complete. Open the tenant resource group. Record the tenant ID in the build environment variables. Select Switch Directory. Switch to the new external tenant directory. Select Manage Microsoft Entra ID. Select External Identities. Then select Configure User Flows and add a new user flow. Specify the user flow name. Record the flow name in the build environment variables. Select Create and wait for completion. Navigate to App Registrations. Select New Registration. Specify the application name, then Register. Record the client ID in the build environment variables. Next, select Certificates and Secrets. Select New Client Secret. Specify a description, then select Add. The secret value is displayed. Record the client secret in the build environment variables. Select API permissions, then select Add a permission. Select Microsoft Graph Application permissions. Add the following read-write permissions: eventlistener.readwrite.all and application.readwrite.all. Select Grant Admin Consent and confirm the grants. We now have all the environment variables set for the application build. Now rerun the check env script after setting the environment variables. If you need help setting up Azure and Terraform, check out our Azure setup video. Once that's done, run the apply script to start the build. The build is completed, so let's head into the console and see what was deployed. First, the Microsoft Entra External ID tenant we created manually. This provides authentication for the application. Users sign in with email and receive a JWT access token used to call the API. Next, the project resource group. 2 storage accounts are created for this project. The first storage account hosts the web application. The second storage account supports the function app. Next, the function app. This is the serverless API layer for the application. All API routes are implemented in a single Python file. Before processing any request, the function app validates the JWT access token. Finally, Cosmos DB. This is where all node data is stored. The container uses a partition key of owner, which comes from a JWT token claim. This design enforces per-user data isolation. Navigate to the URL to launch the Notes application. Sign in with an existing account or create a new one. We're now authenticated into the app. Open the browser debugger so we can watch the API calls. Create a new node. The post call is made with the JWT as a bearer token. Now update the node. Put call is made with the bearer token. Delete the node. Delete call is made with the bearer token. In this demo, we've exercised every API endpoint, all secure with JWT bearer tokens. Once you've finished evaluating this project, run the destroy script to clean up all resources.